Hey guys, what's the difference between a financial advisor and a financial educator? If you don't know who I am, my name is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. Now, what's the difference between the two? Well, there's a few things. First, on the technical level, it's all about the licenses. A financial advisor has what's known as a securities license, and most times a financial educator don't have a license, or they have what's known as a producer's license that give them the ability to speak upon different products and solutions. Now, a financial advisor can advise you, and upon that advising you, they can also charge you for that service. A financial educator could also do the same, but most of the time, they should not be advising you. But they can educate you and give you the understanding so you can make your own decisions. So to break it down even easier for you to get a clearer understanding, it's almost like knowing the difference between information versus understanding. A financial advisor is obligated to give you information. They give you information so that way they could give you direction. 9 out of 10 times, the information that they give you and the direction that they give you, you truly don't understand it, but you're just gonna trust it. And the reason why you trust it is because they're a financial advisor. You're trusting that they should know what they're doing. Now, a financial educator they give you understanding and choices. So a financial educator will give you the education and the understanding by teaching you the pros and the cons in an unbiased way to make sure that you can make a decision upon your own. And upon that decision, they also give you choices. Choices may be a multitude of different understanding. So that way you could make a decision based upon what is good for you and what's suitable and affordable. So it all depends on what you're seeking when it comes to your financial understanding. Some people rather be told what to do, while others want to be educated on how to do it. Some people are very confident with just the information, while many people also seek the understanding. Some people don't mind paying for that advice. Some people can't afford to pay. So it really comes down to what it is that you're looking for, what is that you want. Do you want financial information or you want financial understanding? I personally prefer to give people financial information with understanding so that way they can have choices and they can make the decision upon themselves. That's why as a financial educator, I empower people. So if you're ready to be empowered, all you gotta do is click the link or text, I am ready.